Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports music on piano. The iconic melodies from this beloved game are surprisingly fun and rewarding to learn. We will cover everything from finding the right sheet music to mastering the techniques needed to bring these tunes to life. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your musical rendition of the Mii channel theme or the exhilarating tennis music. Let's dive into the world of gaming music on the keys. Once you have decided which fantastic Wii Sports tune you want to tackle, the next step is finding the sheet music. A quick online search for Wii Sports piano sheet music will yield many results. You can find arrangements for beginners, intermediate players, and even advanced musicians. Look for reputable sources that provide clear notation and helpful fingerings. Some popular options include YouTube tutorials and dedicated sheet music websites. Choose an arrangement that matches your current piano skill level. Effective practice is key to mastering any piano piece, and Wii Sports music is no exception. Start by practicing slowly, focusing on accuracy rather than speed. Break down the music into small, manageable sections, perhaps just a few measures at a time. Use a metronome to develop a consistent rhythm and tempo. Gradually increase the speed as your confidence grows. Regular, short practice sessions, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes daily, are more effective than one long session. After dedicated practice, you will be ready to perform your favorite Wii Sports melodies. Try playing the entire piece through without stopping to build your musical stamina. Consider recording yourself. Listening back can reveal subtle areas for improvement you might otherwise miss. Share your musical achievements with friends and family, perhaps even creating a fun video. The joy of playing these nostalgic tunes on the piano is truly rewarding, bringing a unique blend of gaming and musical artistry to life.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.